Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest tech videos before anyone else. Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Das. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magics. In this video I am to show you whether the smartphone camera lens like these, which are available mostly in online, are really helpful or not. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, recently few weeks ago I bought this camera lens from Amazon. It's the Ramboard camera lens. Let me say one thing, the quality of these lenses may differ from brand to brand. So link to buy this lens are given in the description from where you can buy. Before showing you how this lens works and also the complete review of this lens, let me show you the box contents of this lens. At first you will get a box like this, and inside the box there will be a plastic small box like this, and inside that small plastic box it will contain the main things, that is the lenses, which are the 180-degree fisheye lens, 0.67x wide angle lens, which is attached with the macro lens. You can use the macro lens separately by removing the wide angle lens, but while you taking the wide angle photographs you need to use this wide angle lens attached with the macro lens, because this wide angle lens can't be used separately. The clip holder is used for clipping it on the phone camera, and a small pouch like bag to keep these lenses safely. This bag's quality is quite decent. You can also use it to clean your lenses. Anyways, now let's come to the main part. Let me show you how this lens actually works. So here we go. So now I'm on the terrace, and here I will show you how the lenses actually works. So for taking wide angle photographs, as I have already told, you need to attach the wide angle lens along with the macro lens, because wide angle lens can't be used separately. So I am attaching. By the way, it's attached by default, but to show you that we need to attach, I'm doing this. So then you need to attach it with the clip in this way. And now let's open the camera application. Now we'll put this lens on our phone camera, on my phone camera, in this way. The center of your lens should meet the center of your phone camera so as to take the better shot. Yes, now the lens are perfectly fit. In this way you can take wide angle photographs. Let me show you. And here you can see, let me take one photo. Now let's remove the lens and see. Wasn't it wider? Yes. This image I have taken without lens, and this is with the wide angle lens. In the same way you can use the fisheye lens. Yes, now you can see. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see how much wider image it had taken. This is without lens and this is with the fisheye lens. So in this way the wide angle lens and fisheye lens work. In the same way you can also use the macro lens. Let me show you. You need to remove the wide angle lens to use the macro lens. Now in this way you can use the macro lens. Let me show you how it works. You need to focus a very near object. Let me focus this white flower. Now only the center of the petal of the flower is focused and leaves are blurred. In this way you can take a macro shot. It works fine, but only the very close objects are properly focused. In this way the lens works. I've already taken some photos using these lenses. Let me show you those photos so that you can have a clear idea how this lens actually works. So here we go.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
After seeing these images, I hope you got a clear idea how this lens actually works. In terms of rear camera, the fisheye lens is best because for taking super wide angle photographs, but in terms of front camera it's the worst because while using fisheye lens in front camera the whole image gets blurred, which makes the quality of image very poor. But let me say you one thing, these lenses are really helpful for taking the wide angle photographs, but there is one cons. That is, after taking images using these lenses, except the macro lens, the corners of the images are blackened and the image part sometimes they are blurred out. So you need to make sure that these things happen. So after taking the images you need to crop the image so that you can take the best part of it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please complete my target as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. Once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, goodbye.